good evening to everyone. Respected Madam Mrs. Anju Sharma, Principal Secretary, Higher and Technical Education Department, Government of Gujarat, and Chairperson IHUB. Respected Shri Gurdeep Singh Sir, Chairman and Managing Director, NTPC Limited. Respected Professor Himanshu Pandya, Chief Mentor, IHUB. Shri M. Nagarajan, Director of Higher Education, Government of Gujarat, and Honorary Executive Director, IHUB. Respected Shri Chandan Kumar Mandal, Director Commercial, NTPC Limited, and other officials present today. Myself, Bhavna Dhuria, Manager Business Development, NTPC Limited, welcome you all to the virtual MOU signing ceremony between NTPC and IHUB, which is Gujarat Student Startup and Innovation Hub, to conduct Open Innovation Challenge for power sector and allied services to address some of the typical challenges faced by NTPC in its business operations. So at the outset, I invite Shri Hiranmay Mahanta, CEO IHUB, to formally welcome the dignitaries. So over to you, Hiranmay sir.
Thank you, Bhavna, for getting this program launched today. We have been discussing about this idea quite a bit at time. I would like to welcome Anju Sharma ma'am, the Principal Secretary, Higher and Technical Education, Government of Gujarat, and Chairperson IHUB, to remain present despite busy schedule for launch of this program. I'd also like to welcome the Chief CMD, NTPC, Gurdeep Singh Ji. Thank you for being there, for getting this MOU right from conceiving, comments, and now execution stage. I would like to welcome CK Mandalji, who has been instrumental in this entire process of innovation within NTPC and now collaboration with the external stakeholders. I would like to welcome Professor Himanshu Pandya, who is recently joining, the Vice Chancellor of Gujarat University and Chief Mentor of IHUB. I'd also like to welcome Mr. M. Nagarajan, Commissioner of Higher Education, Government of Gujarat, and Executive Director of IHUB. We have other colleagues, Amit Mittalji, Santosh Ji, Sitesh Ji, Sangeeta ma'am, all from NTPC. Without you, this thing could not have been possible. We have been doing a lot of conversations by now, how to set this project, how to involve all of you in this innovation hacking, and how to create an ecosystem jointly involving the student startup ecosystem in Government of Gujarat and NTPC. So I welcome you all on behalf of Government of Gujarat, and I'm sure jointly this team can co-create a lot of flagship initiatives in days to come, to start with the Mind to Market program. And I'm sure we can create a very unique pathway to not only scout ideas and challenges, but also convert these ideas and challenges and take them to markets, create some impact and in an inclusive way. So I thank all of you for being present today for this launch of this collaboration. Thank you, Bhavna, for facilitating. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for the warm welcome. So, moving further, I invite Shri M. Nagarajan, Director of Higher Education, Government of Gujarat, and Honorary Executive Director, IHUB, to kindly address the gathering. Please, sir.
Very warm good evening to all the panelists present here and all the audience who have joined us on various platforms, including Facebook. Today marks a very important day, and I am glad to welcome Honorable Chairperson Anju Sharma ma'am and the MD from NTPC, Shri Gurdeep Singh Ji, and Mr. Mandal and Bhavna Ji, and all my teammates at IHUB. Today we are embarking on a journey of open innovation movement with a premier public sector undertaking of the Government of India, and which is a brand which you all always recollect and recall. It is such a big part of our life. In our life, this NTPC has been just a larger than image that we all have. Even in our student life, we have all studied and we keep studying about various performances. And I just came across this news about NTPC venturing on hydrogen fuel cells. So this transformative step that NTPC is taking is presenting an excellent opportunity. Among various other initiatives, we would like our students to be part of this process. There are a lot of challenges that the industries face, and the energy sector is very vital to sustainable global development, and in which NTPC is looking to take a better and newer role than what it has done in the past. In this journey of open innovation, this Gujarat Students Startup Innovation Hub, which is IHUB, will be a rightful partner in harnessing the energies and minds of the students across Gujarat. This policy is a very pioneering step that Gujarat government had taken to ensure that students think like an entrepreneur. What happens in India normally is somebody finishes his degree and then he looks at a PG degree and then he thinks, now I should do something in my life. Why not give them the opportunity to do it when they are right in college, to try out something, whatever their heart wants, whatever their mind is excited about, in the sandbox environment, in the safe environment of college itself, and then provide the mentoring support by their own teachers and even fund the ideas and take it forward. In fact, this is one of the kind of policy that funds ideas. In our startup India movement, the mainstream investment ecosystem, which is the risk capital investment ecosystem, looks for proven ideas, proven models which are having market traction. But somebody needs to work on the ideas and take the idea from mind to the market. That is why this mind to market challenge has been conceived by iHub, and in last 2 years it has been running phenomenally, bringing out great results. Big corporates like Nestle and big automobile giants across the world, the who's who of corporate world in the world global area, work with big universities like MIT, Harvard and all, and they call it open innovation model. And why can't we bring that same kind of open innovation model, which is driven by corporate problem statements, and then put our young minds to work on it? That is why we have created this platform. And we are glad to have a premier institute like NTPC, institution like NTPC to be part of this. We are working on various sectors, including the toy challenge and other things. And power being an ever required thing for our economy and for our green future, I am sure the challenges and the opportunities that our partnership with NTPC provides will bring up a great learning opportunity and also an exploration for our students. And I'm sure that a lot of ventures could be kicked off from these things. So it is a win-win for everyone in this entire ecosystem. And I welcome gladly for this program all the representatives of NTPC, and look forward to working with you in the future by innovating with you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Nagarajan sir. Those were really encouraging words for us. Moving further, now I request Shri Chandan Kumar Mandal, Director Commercial NTPC, to kindly speak few words. Please, sir.
Thank you, Bhavna, and very good evening to Madam Anju Sharma, Principal Secretary, Education Department, Government of Gujarat, Professor Himanshu Pandya, Chief Mentor I have, Mr. M. Nagarajan, Commissioner Higher Education, Government of Gujarat, Mr. Hiranmay Mahanta, CEO I have, CMD NTPC, my dear colleagues, and other officials present connected to this system. It is a great pleasure for me to be here on this occasion of signing of this MOU with iHub. And as NTPC is committed to generate and provide reliable power at competitive prices in a sustainable manner by optimizing the use of multiple energy resources with innovative and eco-friendly technologies. As a leading player in the world energy sector, NTPC has recognized the potential of cutting-edge technology in further improving its services and efficiency. The company is fully aligned to the needs of adapting to emerging efficient technologies and upgrading the technologies through research and development. I am very sure that engagement with iHub will help to create a platform for academic industry interface and support the objective of iHub in establishing a strong startup ecosystem in the state. I am convinced that this initiative with iHub will bring some innovative and eco-friendly solutions and develop technologies for clean and economic power generation for sustainable growth of the power sector. Problems in power sector and allied businesses may include solutions in the field of O&M, engineering, technology, project management, distribution, water management, ash management, waste management, e-mobility, carbon capture, renewable hydrogen, storage system, for that matter, anything which is sustainable in nature. Further, in the light of Government of India's emphasis and efforts on Atmanirbhar Bharat, This initiative would augur well in building strong ecosystem for nurturing startup in India. My best wishes to both the working teams. I am very sure and confident that we are going to have really some of the at least some breakthrough through this joint venture. Thank you and welcomes. Once again I welcome all of you to this. Okay, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir, for your insightful and inspiring thoughts, sir. So now, may I invite and welcome Professor Himanshu Pandya, Chief Minter iHub, has also joined us now. So I invite Professor Himanshu, sir, to kindly address the gathering. Please, sir.
Good afternoon. It's a wonderful occasion when we are signing an MOU with NTPC. And I'm sure that this new collaborative efforts between iHub and NTPC would lead to some success stories where we can deliver something as per the requirement of the society and our country. iHub is bubbling with energy. We are a very young set of incubator promoters, mentorship platforms. You can label us the way you want because we are beyond incubators and we try to help our students and innovators in the field of innovation and something novelty in their minds. We are very happy to have this association, like we have big association with other agencies also and government enterprises. And I'm sure that this association would lead to something concrete where we can deliver to the society and to the mankind at large. We all know that this pandemic has changed the mindset of the people and the working pattern of the people. So we are signing this MOU via this e-medium, but very soon we will be meeting personally to share our ideas and workings with each other and how we can be more focused on the delivery system, and we will be deciding the course of the whole calendar event for the year. I congratulate NTPC authorities and iHub for this wonderful association. Thank you very much for calling me here and looking forward to see you all in person. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your words of wisdom, sir. Moving further, I request representatives of both the parties, Mr. Hiranmay sir, CEO iHub, and Madam Ms. Sangeeta Kaushik, General Manager Business Development, NTPC, to virtually sign the MOU. Thank you, Hiranmay sir. Thank you, Sangeeta ma'am. Thank you. Yeah, we can see that. Thank you so much. So next, now may I request Shri Gurdeep Singh sir, Chairman and Managing Director, NTPC Limited, to kindly speak few words on the occasion, sir. Please, sir.
Thank you, Bhavna. Good evening. Principal Secretary, Government of India, Ms. Anju Sharma ji, and she is the chairperson of iHub. So, in the capacity of chairperson of iHub, I would like to thank you, ma'am, first of all, for conducting or guiding this kind of initiative. Professor Himanshu Pandya ji, Mr. Mandal, Mr. Nagarajan ji, Mr. Manta, and all who are connected through this virtually on this platform. This is a unique kind of initiative which we all are taking. And as Mr. Nagaraj just mentioned that we as NTPC are providing lion's share of the power to all the consumers. To give them some kind of number, we are providing almost 1/4 of the total power to the consumers of the entire country. And incidentally, this is predominantly still on the fossil fuel based. And in the changing environment, we all know that, I think in the name of climate change or the net zero, everything, and you would be listening. So there is a great opportunity for all of us to transform and transit towards the cleaner energy sources. So this itself will be providing enough opportunities for the young minds to come out with the very innovative ideas which we can provide the platform to practice or the experiment, and that can be really applied to the energy sector, which can really lead to the cleaner and affordable source of power, which is very, very vital. And all those young people who are joined at present, energy is going to play a very, very important role. It has been playing an important role for the almost 2 centuries, and going forward, it will be much more. The deepening of the electricity as a preferred source of energy will be not only a desirable, but it will become a factual thing in the coming days. And the opportunities will be immense. So I would encourage all of you through this platform to come out with your bright ideas and try to come out with your plans to experiment. We as NTPC are committing that we will be able to provide you enough platform to experiment those. I think this is one of our biggest contribution what we look forward and we can commit. Our director commercial just mentioned a few of the things, but I think in the Atmanirbhar Bharat, it is essential that we become Atmanirbhar in our energy sources. Energy is one of the largest import component for the country. And as we are moving towards the more and more renewable energy and more this kind of consumption through the electricity rather than other primary sources, starting from whether it was in the beginning, whether it was firewood or the cake from the cow dung or any other sources, and then the oil and the coal and gas. I think this all need to be really go away, and the convergence is going towards the kind of electricity which is going to be fossil free. But that is the kind of the dream today, at least for the next 20 to 30 years. We will have to be dependent on the coal-based energy sources in the country. And that is where the another kind of opportunities are going to be, that how to do the carbon capture. I think Mr. Mandal just mentioned, but it is very, very important. So if you ask me, what is the priorities for me in the company where we would be looking for the innovation is clearly one is the carbon capture, other is the green hydrogen, and water conservation, rather the usage of the water, how efficiently we can utilize and how we can reduce the water consumption and improve the energy efficiency in all forms, whether it is on the production side or supply side or on the consumption side. But within this platform, I think there will be enough opportunities. Already you will be knowing about these things, and you will be just encountering all those, that e-mobility is already done. I think there. It was just about 5 years back, it was just a talk, but today I think it is becoming reality. And the hydrogen fuel as a mobility will also be for the heavy vehicles will be there. Green ammonia, green hydrogen is the key. Carbon capture and green hydrogen is the key for the energy sector, at least for India. So I would encourage all young minds, and then I think this M2M, mind to market, I think we should become the kind of facilitator, enabler in those things for just developing idea, developing technology, and then experimenting and putting them into the kind of commercial aspect. We have just not mentioned till now about something on the energy storage side, be it a battery or be it some kind of pump hydro. There will be many more things which will be coming up. But all in all, as far as the energy sector is concerned, we as NTPC will be in a position to at least enable all kind of experimentation. This is what I think the greatest thing what we can bring from our side. And my team when just mentioned this, and they just asked me whether I should join. So then I asked, what is this? Let's see that how we can really be just coming out with something concrete. So signing of the MOU is easier thing. But I think the real success of this MOU should be when we will be able to demonstrate, if not more, at least 1 or 2 ideas in next 12 months. So I will call upon at least all those students as well as their mentors to work tirelessly and try to knock our doors that these are the things what we want to do, so that we also don't find any excuse to just go on saying that this we already done or not, but be practical rather than only kind of this as a kind of academic event. So I would be looking forward specifically some of the practical aspects coming out of this MOU, and rely on the commitment from our side. Knowing ma'am Anju Sharma ji, I think she may not be recalling, but I think I was also working in Bharuch, Pagutan, and she was collector Bharuch. So I know her from all those days. So I worked in Gujarat extensively for even Gujarat government also for 8 years, but she has never been in the energy sector. So our probably the association was little less. But I know that she is a very focused and hard taskmaster. So probably she will also see that whatever we are signing, that will take it in a really good shape in the coming days. So wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Gurdeep sir. Certainly, your address goes a long way in inspiring us to strive hard and achieve more. Thank you so much, sir. So now may I request Madam Ms. Anju Sharma, Principal Secretary, Education Department, Government of Gujarat, and Chairperson IHUB to kindly address the gathering. Please, ma'am. Over to you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Gurdeep Singh ji. And while I was looking at you, I was trying to remember where I have seen you. And now I remember very well that when I was Collector Bharuch at that time, you had met me several times for several issues pertaining to NTPC plant. So the world is very small and we meet here once again. And on a very, very good note and a very, very positive note, I must say. So, Shri Gurdeep Singh ji, CMD of NTPC, Dr. Himanshu Pandya, Chief Mentor of IHUB and Vice Chancellor of Gujarat University, Shri Mandal, then Nagarajun, Hiranmay, Sagita, and all the other members of the NTPC and IHUB team. Today, I'm really happy and I'm proud to say that within a period of 1 week, we will be signing MOUs with 2 Navratna companies in just a period of 1 week. Both NTPC and another one is coming 3 or 4 days hence. And very, very happening sectors: energy sector, electronic sector. So it really gives me a lot of pride and also a lot of hope for the future. As you may be aware, since you are familiar with the Gujarat development and since you've been associated with the Gujarat, you've been in Gujarat for quite a long time. We started the Student Startup and Innovation Policy in 2017 January. And since then, it has been a very, very conscious effort on the part of Government of Gujarat to convert students into job creators rather than job seekers, and also create innovations so that India can produce a few things and then many things in the innovation world and give its technology to the nations elsewhere. And not only this, we also are able to solve a problem. We also are able to solve our problems at various fronts to bring in more productivity, more efficiency, and also more nation building. So as a part of that, under the SSIP, this IHUB was created by us to act as a common resource center. Mind to Market program is a key flagship program out of the 2021 flagship programs that we have. And the idea in the Mind to Market program is to convert the ideas that are in the minds of the innovators into practical solutions with the help of industry and then commercialize them. This is one program which aims at development through collaboration with industry, and it's a part of industry academia collaboration. As a part of that, so in the last about 7 months, we have taken up MOUs with more than 10 companies. Now, here I would say we are ourselves very selective as far as the companies go. And we are actually, if we see in the mind to market, we have a large number of MOUs, but what I rate as the quality MOUs, because signing an MOU is one thing, executing an MOU is another thing. So we are very, very focused and concerned about the execution of MOUs. And right from the ITC or the GUVNL MOU that we signed, we have already moved quite ahead in picking up prototypes from there and funding them, picking up ideas and funding them for prototypes. Now, Mind to Market program involves a process where, first of all, the challenges of the students, challenges of the industry are presented before the students. Now, those challenges are then worked upon by the students, where they give us the solutions, very basic solutions about their ideas. And then with the help of the industry itself, those ideas are selected and they are picked up for prototype development. So the success of the entire thing, it hinges a lot upon the concerned industry. The better the problem statements are, our experience has been that we are able to deliver better. And our innovators, they are able to think better. I must tell you here that in the past few challenges that we have run on the FMCG side, wellness side, toy side, defense, security, we have been able to arrive at quite a few very good prototypes which the industry is pushing, and agriculture also, and which the industry is taking up for development. So the innovators just need a platform to, it's like a conducive environment and a platform to thrive. And once we are able to provide that, so as iHub, we are only facilitators between the innovators and the industry. We bring the problems of the industry before the innovators, and we take the ideas of the innovators to the industry. The rest is between you two. We'll just keep on facilitating on both the sides. So here I would say that the energy sector itself is a very, very futuristic sector. It's a very, very challenging sector as well, because the world, the future of the world hinges on the energy. And we all know we need energy for everything. So that's just putting it very simply. But then now you see the fossil fuels, they are depleting, and we have to now go towards the non-conventional sources. Also on reducing transmission losses when the transmission is concerned, increasing the efficiency of production. And as you said, you would like to work on things like green hydrogen and so many other things that you mentioned. So all those challenges, they can be put together in the form of challenge statements, and they can be loaded on the website. And I'm sure our students will be happy, will be rather more than forthcoming to work on these problems, and in a very short period, of course, in a period of about a month or so, we'll be able to see at least one or two good ideas coming up for combined development and for development into a prototype, which can later be taken ahead for commercialization. So the challenge statements can be both process oriented, they can be product oriented. And we have from our side We have an incubation facility. We have labs also to facilitate working of innovators on various problems. We help them with design support also, and we help them with various things, including the funding support. But I would really appreciate, and I've also been conveyed that NTPC would also like to extend the seed fund support or the prototype fund support for the innovators. And that would be very encouraging to our innovators, because the kind of challenges that would come up, they would require, many of them may require some capital intensive experimentation. And so for that, it's so nice to know that NTPC has come forward. Gujarat government on its side is also helping to SSIP. So I'm sure we will be doing a good work out of it. And Mr. Gurdeep Singh's positivity and his keenness to take up the entire thing is really, really very motivating and rather inspiring, I would say. And these kind of things, they help us deliver better and help us move forward. So I'm very thankful to the entire team of NTPC to have entered into an MOU. MOU is just an understanding. It's more of an intention to work together. And it's so nice that we've come together to work ahead towards the such a very, very important topic for the entire nation as a whole. And I'm sure we will be able to deliver some very good things out of it. Once again, thank you so much for trusting in iHub. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks a lot, madam. We are all inspired by your great work. Thank you so much. So this calls for the end of the event today. In the end, I request Madam Sangeeta Kaushik, General Manager, Business Development, NTPC, to kindly deliver the vote of thanks. Please, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Bhavna. It is indeed a pleasure, privilege, and honor for me to get an opportunity today to propose a vote of thanks on this momentous occasion. I, on behalf of NTPC and HIAB, extend a very hearty vote of thanks to all the honorable delegates. I extend my gratitude to Honorable Madam Anju Sharma to grace this event and to guide and inspire us. I also wish to express my gratitude to our CMD NTPC, the leader of the family, Gurdeep Singh sir, for providing encouragement and support. I assure you that IHUB and on behalf of NTPC and IHUB team that we will ensure that this MOU bears fruitful results as you have advised very soon, sir. I would like to thank Professor Himanshu Pandya, sir, the Vice Chancellor of the Gujarat University, for taking out time and gracing the occasion. Mr. Nagarajan, sir, Director Higher Education and Honorary Executive Director IHUB, for joining us today and for your encouraging words, sir. I would also like to thank the IHUB team and my NTPC team for working together and making this program a success. And we look forward to engaging and as we, and I also would like to thank our Director Commercial, sir, Mandal sir, for encouraging us. He has always been that we should try to get new ideas from the younger generation, and this was a step in that direction. And sirs and ma'am, we assure you that this academic industry interface that we have placed our signatures on today will bear fruitful results, and soon we should be able to come back to you with the prototypes and occasions and budding entrepreneurs who will find solution to our problems. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone, for taking out time and joining this event. Thank you so much, and have a great day. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.